Wax is your best friend while you have braces. It is used to relieve any discomfort caused by wires that are poking or brackets that are irritating you. When you first get your braces put on, you are not used to them, so the braces can cause sores in your mouth. Eventually, your mouth will build up a tolerance to the braces. It is important to use the wax if you have cuts and sores from the braces so they are able to heal. The wax comes in strips. To put the wax on, you will pinch a small piece from one of the strips. Then you will roll it into a ball between your fingers. Press the wax on the bracket or the wire in the area that is bothering you. You will need to remove the wax when you brush your teeth and while you're eating. Place a new piece of wax on when you're finished eating or brushing. We always have wax available to you in the office, and we are able to mail it if you need us to.